All right, let's talk about one of the biggest and, let's be honest, most stressful parts of any home project, the kitchen. And if you're looking at IKEA, you've probably hit a wall. It's the big showdown, right? Method versus ENHET. We're going to break it all down. You know, planning a new kitchen, it's a massive deal. It's not just the money, it's the time getting it just right. So many people end up at IKEA, and for good reason. But then you're faced with this choice. There are two main systems. How in the world do you even start to decide which one is right for you?
Okay, the best way to think about it is like you're standing at a crossroads. There are two completely different paths you can take. One path leads to a solid, permanent, kind of premium kitchen. You know, the one you're planting roots with. The other path, that one's all about being flexible, quick, and budget-friendly. Let's walk down both and see where they go. So here they are, our two contenders. You've got METOD, which IKEA bills as the permanent premium choice. And then you have ENHET, the flexible, budget-friendly solution. And I want you to really get this. These aren't just two sets of cabinets. Nope, they are two totally different ways of thinking about what a kitchen should be. So let's get into it.
All right, first up, let's talk about METOD. Think of this as IKEA's heavyweight champion. This is the system for people who want a kitchen that feels totally custom, something that's built to last, you know, for the long haul. So what is METOD really? At its heart, it's IKEA's top-of-the-line, fully modular system. The words you need to remember are customization, durability, and those really nice, elegant finishes. This is the one you pick when you're building your forever kitchen. And this is where METOD really shines. We're talking maximum customization. You get a massive range of styles, seriously, from super traditional to sleek and modern. And you get those little premium touches that make a huge difference, like the soft closed drawers, no more slamming cabinets. Plus, the cabinet sizes are super flexible to fit pretty much any weird nook or cranny in your space. It's built tough for daily life and designed to work perfectly with all the IKEA appliances. But, okay, let's be real, there are some trade-offs. METOD is going to ask for a bigger investment, and that's not just money, we're talking time and effort too. The installation is definitely more complex. A lot of people end up hiring a pro for it. And here's the big one, once it's in, it's in. It's a permanent decision.
Okay, so now let's switch gears and look at our other contender. This one tells a totally different story. Let's meet ENHET, the clever, adaptable alternative that's really designed for a different kind of lifestyle.
With ENHET, the whole philosophy shifts. It's all about being easy on the wallet and super modular. It was literally designed for speed and simplicity. We're talking quick installation, and, this is the cool part, the freedom to totally change your mind in your layout down the road. So why would you go for ENHET? Well, for starters, the price. It's one of IKEA's most affordable kitchen options, but the real game changer is its smart click-together assembly. It's kind of like Lego for kitchens. It makes the whole DIY thing way, way easier. And because it's so modular, you can rearrange it later or even pack it up and move it with you. This makes it absolutely perfect for renters or if you have a small, awkward space to work with. It really is the ultimate flexible friend.
But of course, there's a catch, right? That amazing flexibility comes with some trade-offs. With ENHET, your customization options are more limited. Fewer styles, fewer sizes. It's made from lighter materials, so it's probably not going to hold up as well to really heavy everyday use. And you're not going to get those premium features like the soft closed drawers. The look is clean, it's simple, but it's definitely not what you'd call high-end.
Okay, so we've met the two players. Now for the fun part. Let's put them side by side, head to head, and really see where they stack up against each other. This really lays it all out, doesn't it? You can see the trade-offs so clearly. Take a look at METOD. It's the clear winner for things like long-term durability and deep customization. It's your build it once, build it right kind of kitchen. But then shift your eyes over to ENHET. It absolutely crushes it when it comes to easy DIY setup, a lower price tag, and that amazing flexibility to change things up later. It's really that classic battle, premium and permanent versus affordable and adaptable.
So we've gone through all the details, but it all comes down to this, doesn't it? The single most important question. Which one of these is actually the right fit for you and your home?
At the end of the day, the best choice here is all about your priorities. It's really less about the kitchen itself and more about where you are in life. Are you settling down, nesting, looking for that long-term investment you can make your own? Or are you maybe in a more temporary phase of life where you need something affordable, simple, and adaptable for right now? Let's break that down even further. Okay, you're probably a METOD person if this list sounds like you. If you see your kitchen as a real long-term investment, if you dream about custom storage and having that high-end luxury feel,
And if you've got the budget to create a space that is 100% personalized, then yeah, Method is almost certainly your answer. But if this list makes you nod your head, then ENHET is probably your perfect match. If you're working with a tight budget, if you're renting, or if you just love the idea of a quick and easy DIY project with all the headaches, ENHET was pretty much designed with you in mind. It's fantastic for a first kitchen or any kind of temporary setup. So what's the bottom line? Here it is, as simple as I can make it. METOD is your go-to for that high-end, super durable, premium kitchen that becomes a permanent fixture in your home. And ENHET? It's the undisputed champion of budget-friendly, flexible kitchens that you can literally install yourself in a snap. Two totally different needs, and honestly, two really great solutions. So there you have it. Now you know the real difference between these two systems. See, the choice isn't just about picking out some cabinets anymore. It's about choosing a kitchen that actually fits your life, right now. So the only question I have for you is, what's your dream kitchen gonna look like?